Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the fastest private path. Open your device browser and launch a private or Incognito tab, or confirm you have a separate throwaway Instagram account ready. Make sure the Instagram app is updated if you plan to switch to it later. Turn on a VPN for better anonymity and switch to mobile data if you want to avoid your home IP. Once done, navigate to Instagram. In the private tab and sign in to the throwaway account or browse without logging in. Now, operate inside the private tab with intention. Do not sign into your main account, instead use the throwaway login or interact as a guest. Disable cookies and site data in the browser settings for that tab and enable tracker blocking to reduce fingerprinting. Make sure location, camera, and microphone permissions are denied for Instagram. If you must open content in the app, exit the private browser first and clear any cached data after to avoid linking sessions. These steps reduce stored traces and cross-session tracking. To finish, close the private or Incognito tab and then clear your browser cache, cookies, and site data to remove any leftover session info. If you use the Instagram app at any point, log out, clear the app cache, and revoke site permissions in your system settings to sever lingering links. If you notice continued tracking, switch VPN servers, flush your device DNS, or try a different browser. Make sure browser extensions are disabled. One quick troubleshooting tip: test with a fresh private window and no account sign-in to confirm anonymity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.